Hey guys, I am back and today I'm going to be washing some hair that I've used before for twists, and I'm going to use this hair for texture faux locks. So if you remember this hair, it is from the Janet Collection Nala Tress Kinky Twist that I did, the butt length twist. So this is the hair that I think cut. No, this was on my roots. So yeah, it was dirty, so I stopped up my sink. I put the stopper in there, and then I just ran some warm water on top, and as you can see, there's already dirt and debris, not debris, but like what is that stuff called that's layering the hair? Like, I don't know, it's layering in the hair. So that came off, so I drained all of that out after I switched it around a little bit, and then I re-ran some more hot water on top to do a second rinse. So I'm doing this so that I can get off all the white residue or whatever that is, glue, whatever it is that was on the hair. And some people actually wash their hair before they use it. I usually don't. But seeing this, I might want to start doing it, but but this is me re-washing old hair. Okay, so now this is the third rinse, okay, and I'm going to fill it up again with warm water. I'm doing warm water this entire time, but this time I'm going to pour in some apple cider vinegar, unfiltered, raw, with the mother. This is the Bragg's brand. You can use whatever brand you want. I'll link one down in the description below from Amazon or Target, one of them. I love both of them. You can trust them both. So I'm just going to pour that in and swish it around, massage the hair to get any extra dirt off, any extra bacteria off, and really swish it around and do a due diligence of cleaning this hair. So now I'm going to drain out the sink again, and I'm going to let all of that go down, and then I'm going to squeeze that out. And now I'm using, I can't tell, okay, I'm using cold water now because now I'm rinsing it. Now this is to finish out the hair, so I'm going to rinse it first with some cool water, swish it around. This is rinse number 1. And we're going to continue to rinse and then swish it around, massage it, make sure we get out all the apple cider vinegar and all the other leftover bacteria, and then drain the sink again. And make sure your hair doesn't go down the hole. Okay, so after I've drained it out after I give it a good squeeze, why can't I talk? I'm going to do one more cold rinse, and I'm going to let the water just run on top and really swish it around. And by this time, your water should be completely clear. You shouldn't have any dirt, any debris, any residue coming out. Everything should be clear, and the cold water helps seal the hair so it doesn't get frizzy. So after that, I drain that out. I put my strainer back in the sink, my regular, and I'm going to just squeeze the hair. Then I'm going to put the hair onto a towel, fold the towel in half so that the towel will soak up all the excess water. And I did not record the texture lock hairstyle I did, but it is on TikTok. So follow me on there. Check out more videos on my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.